Hi, I'm Joseph Phillips. I am a PMP, a PMI-ACP, a PSM, Project Plus, Certified Technical Trainer, and I am your instructor for this course on the PMP exam. I'm going to teach you exactly what you must know in order to pass your exam. Now, I've written several books on project management. So in this course, based on the books that I've written and more than 20 years of teaching project management, I'm going to help you pass your exam on the first attempt. Now, of course, I'm going to show you and share with you what you must know in order to pass the test, but so much of this is up to you to do the work and get it done. Now, the good news is, while the PMP exam is very broad, I'm only going to cover exactly what you must know. This course is based on the PMP exam content outline, where PMI tells us exactly what you must know in order to pass. So in this course, we'll talk about the project management life cycle. We're going to look at all of the different knowledge areas of project management. And then we'll get into adaptive and agile. We'll talk about Scrum and Kanban and XP and hybrid approaches. Half of your exam is on predictive or linear, those waterfall industrial work type projects. And then the other half of your exam will be on hybrid and agile approaches to project management. So you have to know both in order to pass your exam. And that's what I'm going to share with you in this course, exactly what you must know to not just take, but to actually pass the PMP. We will keep a positive mental attitude in this course, a you can do this mentality. Now, I've trained tens of thousands of people on how to pass the PMP. And if they can do it, there's no reason why you can't do it too. Let's get started today with you enrolling and working towards passing the PMP exam. You can do this. Let's keep moving forward.